Okay, guys, so once again, 3 days in a row, we are having heavy rain. Yes, and thunder, yeah. So, yeah, guys, so here's some rain and thunder. Uh, well, well, here's, well, there's rain and thunder outside right now. Yeah, heavy rain outside. Yeah, and thunder. Yeah, it is summertime right now. Yeah. Well, basically the time where well, it's like that usually rains and thunders every day. Mostly, yeah. So yeah, guys, and also the peak month of hurricane season, September, is near. Yes, well, it's almost here, yeah, oof. Yeah, guys, but, well, here's some rain right now. Yeah, guys, rain. Rain falling down right now. Yes. See, guys. Okay, we're gonna go change our view now. Okay, guys, so rain over here. Whoa. It seems pretty heavy also, yeah. Yeah, it seems pretty heavy also, yeah. Crazy thunder, storm right now at my house. Yes, guys. Well, yes, there's some heavy rain outside right now. Yes, heavy rain and thunder. Yes. So yeah, but well, it is not hail. Yeah, it is not hail. See, guys, there's rain falling down right over there, right over here too. Okay, let's go change the view now. Okay, over here. Oh, over there is my room. Yeah, oh, I'm hearing thunder. Yes, and heavy rain outside. Yes. Yes, guys. Heavy rain and thunder outside right now. Yeah. Yeah, guys, heavy rain. Oh. Yes, guys, there is currently heavy rain. Thunder outside. Yeah. Yes, guys, currently heavy rain and on thunder. Yeah. Yeah, guys. Yes, here's the footage. I don't here. Also, so yeah, guys. Also, this is expected to continue later on today, guys. So yeah, so so we'll make more updates bound for rain, guys. So yeah, guys, and now we're gonna go now. We're gonna end this update now here. So yeah, bye bye.